Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a house that is just like super small. Follow what I do. Make this shape as like nerd 2 at the bottom. Replace it with oak planks. Then what we need to do is put a bed, crafting table, furnace, anvil, chest, glass. Then follow what I do with the glass. Then, oh no, I forgot something. I need a trapdoor. Wait. Let's just place that right there. Right, then place the trapdoor. Place an ender chest. Place an enchanting table. Break these 3 glass. There we go, that's how you make a small house, or the world's smallest house in Minecraft. Boom! You're in! I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.